In the previous video, we have decided not to build UI for the error state. Instead, we are going to show an alert to regenerate random number. To show alert, first we need to wrap our block builder with the block listener. Here, we need to pass block and also the state. So we are going to listen states for the number generator block, and the states are going to be children of number generator state. So why we are using block listener here? Because we don't want to build UI. We only want to show an alert on top of our current UI. So listener is useful when we want to show a snack bar, alert, banner, etc. Here we need to pass a callback to the listener property. So this callback is going to have two parameters, context and the state. Here we are going to check whether the state is error generating number or not. If the state is error generating number, then we are going to show alert. To show alert, first we need to use a method called show adaptive dialog, and to the builder we need to also pass a callback, and to the callback we are going to create a parameter with the name dialog. From this callback we need to return a widget, and we are going to return alert dialog widget. So it's going to be a adaptive alert. Here we are going to pass title, error. Also we need to pass content. Here we are going to pass regenerate number. To the actions we need to pass a array of widgets. So to the array I'm going to pass text button. Here we need to pass callback to the on pressed and a child. I'm going to pass text here regenerate, and to the on pressed we are going to first add event to the block to regenerate the number. So we are going to add the event which we have added earlier. So the event was generate random number, right? Now we need to close our alert dialog. For this we can use navigator.pop. Simple. Now everything is set. We can now try running our application. Now as you can see, it's showing an alert when our block generated a error state. So here we can press regenerate. It will close the dialog and regenerate the number. So let me try it once again. So it's regenerating error again and again. So now I got a successful state. So there's a issue with the listener. So listener is listening state even if it's not error generating number. So let me show you it with a debug statement. So I'm going to print called here. So you will see it's getting called even when the state is not error. So for this we are going to use property listenman. Here we are going to have previous state and the current state. So what we are going to do, we are going to check if the current state is error generating number, then we are going to call the listener, else we are not going to call the listener. So we can copy this, and if the current state is error generating number, then we are going to return true. This will call the listener, else we are going to return false, right? So let me add debug print again. So we run this application. You will see now this method is not getting called every time. This is getting called when the state is error. Now code look too much messy. In the next video we are going to improve our code. If you want to learn more about Block and Flutter Advanced, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.